Okay, all this works. I got bullets. I didn't put much. It landed correctly, but now it won't come out. And I got my decapping. My decapper a bit off, so I'm gonna have to readjust that, but this is just to see the basic function. Nope, you see? It's not coming out. It was before. No, it's not. I'm using CamPro 147 grain. This is one of the boxes of the hundreds I've got of this. You saw it in another video. This I didn't have to put. This is good enough. What I was worried about was that now that there's rounds, the powder measure does come on and it goes all the way down. Now it's just this. When this was working, this wasn't working. And when this is now that this is working, this isn't working. Everything else is going good. Cash can. You can hear it spin primers. This will have to readjust. Temporary light fix. So this, technically I got it done. Now I just gotta fine tune it. Camera stand. Other camera stand. So Lee Pro 1000 9mm. The bench plate. Yes, redoing the paint job here. It's not bad. After I gave it a wipe, I got no more metal shavings, and yes, it's still hot here. I'm impressed by it. Now, as you saw in the other video, I have 1.5 boxes left of small primers. I have H100 from a 357 Magnum, but this is not, this is for 9mm. Some are saying I can, but I won't load that. I'm gonna wait until the store opens tomorrow, get some tight group. This is adjusted. And I still have a few boxes of these left. I just basically put around, dropped it, and adjusted it. I got this working. Powder measure, I have no clue. So now it's just this I have to figure out. Is it this bar or what? So I'll just close this. I hope I didn't break that. Close this. There, it's closed. And see what I can do. I'm not going to film this.